Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Fidelity Investments application on your iPhone. To download Fidelity Investment app on your iPhone is a straightforward process. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Fidelity Investment and search. In the search result, open up the Fidelity Investments app and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Fidelity Investments offers a range of accounts and services to help you invest, save, and plan for your future. Whether you want to manage your own investment, get guidance, or work with an advisor, Fidelity Investment can help you reach your goals. So that's how you can easily download and install Fidelity Investment on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.